8.2 I should know. Sit boy. Which one? Fourth one. Read the question.
How many sides does a
Only you should read, okay?
how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165?
See here, each interior angle. Till now they would give each exterior angle. Now each interior angle is given. Each interior angle is equal to 165. Read the question once again.
How many sides does a regular
How many sides? So number of sides is question answer. Question mark. Number of sides will be question mark. Okay. Yeah. What has that called? ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟೇನೆ ಅದೇನು ಕಾಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay, number of sides is question mark. Each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Okay, first, what was the formula? Do you guys remember? Number of sides is equal to 360 degree by number of number of sides. Each exterior angle. Correct? Very good. Each exterior angle. This was the formula. Now, in this formula, I should find number of sides. That is correct. Do I have each exterior angle? I have each interior angle this time. If interior angle is 165, how much is the exterior angle? Each interior angle. Think. Each interior angle is 165. Then each exterior angle will be
50.
very good. Each exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165 should be. In straight line this is 165. This will be how much? 15 degree. 165 plus 15, 180. 15 degree. So understood or not? Understood how I took? If interior is given, I found exterior angle is 15 degree. Now I can apply 360 degree by 15. Okay. 15 can I do directly? 15 to the 30. 15 4 is 60. 15 2 is 30. Correct. 15 1 is 15 2 is 30. 60 will remain. 15 4 is 60. 24 is the answer. So how many sides are there? 24 sides are there. Easy? Is the answer. Take it. Fifth one. Very good.
Is it possible to have a regular polygon?
Everybody should read the question. These are a little bit theoretical. Right?
Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees?
They are asking this. If each exterior angle is 22 degree, read the question once again.
Is it possible to have a regular
So can I have a regular polygon or not? They are asking. Okay. So let's check it. Number of sides is equal to 360 by each exterior 360 degree by 22 degree. 2 11s are 1s are 16, 8s are 180 degree. 180 by 11, you do it. Do 180 by 11. I will do it here. Check it here. Stop writing. 180 by 11. 11 ones are 11. Okay. I will get 70. 11 6 are 66. 4 will remain 0.40. 11 3s are 33. I will get 7. 70. Again 6 are 66 and it goes on. Can I have number of sides in decimals? If I 1.2 side can you do? If I say 2 sides, you will do like this. This is 2-sided thing. If I say do 3 sides polygon, this is the 3-sided regular polygon. If I say 4-sided regular polygon, you will do this 4-sided. Perfect. If I say 16.36 sides, number of sides is equal to 16.36 now. This is equal to 16.36. Can you do Can you do a regular polygon by this decimal point? No, there are some figures which we cannot tell in decimals. ಈ class ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ 20, 21, whole number I should say. Can I tell 20.1? Think 20.2, 20.3 three students will come. Can I tell? Getting on similarly here, we can't tell that. So answer is no. Write this. Afterwards you write no, it is not possible. No, it is not possible. Further you write it from the given question. Question possible to have a regular polygon because this is not a divisor of that. Okay, I will tell it you afterwards. Second answer, second question read, second main.
Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon?
So can it be an interior angle? That's also no only. If you take interior angle also, you will get in. It will not get divided. It will get in decimals only. So second answer is also no. No only. Okay. Like this, I will tell the statement. Take it. Don't read statement. I will tell. Can I take this as interior angle that I want? Can you take convert this as interior angle that I think? Second one. If I take this as interior angle is equal to 22 means exterior angle will become how much? 180 minus 22. Exterior angle will be equal to 158 degree. Afterwards, we will apply this formula again. Number of sides is equal to 360 by exterior angle. Okay, 360 by exterior angle is 158. Can I divide this and this? Again, you will get answer in decimals. Getting or no? So that is the statement. Take that. I forgot to tell. Take that. Any doubts? It is that. First one, this is the exterior angle. Second one, they are telling if I take this 22 as interior angle, what will happen? That is the today we'll stop here. First answer, AD is equal to BC. Second one, angle DCB is equal to angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB. Opposite angles will be equal. Next, OC is equal to OA because diagonals bisect each other. Last, angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to angle CDA is equal to basically. So there are many things to learn here. Stop writing, just see it. First one. So whenever we have a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram. The name goes as A, B, C, D. Oh, okay. First one, AD is equal to, this is AD. AD will be equal to what? BC. If this is 5 centimeter, this will also be equal to. Getting more? Opposite sides of a parallelogram will be equal to each other. Same like rectangle. If this side is 10 centimeter, that also will be. If this is 20, this will be 20. Similarly, in parallelogram, this will work. Okay. So AD is equal to BC. Any doubts? Second one. Why did I took means he has told me that given a parallelogram ABCD, parallelogram so only after that. Second one, angle DCB, angle DCB. Where is angle DCB? D is here, C is here, B is here. This is the angle. Where is this equal to? Is asking. Angle DCB is equal to what? Okay. So angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB because opposite angles will be equal to the parallelogram. Opposite angles will be equal. You can write it. Opposite angles. Here, opposite sides. Okay, next. Third one. Third what is asking? OC is equal to. OC is equal to what? OC means from here to here. OC. These are called as diagonals. Okay. Diagonal and if I take one parallelogram, okay, either this is diagonal. This is first diagonal, D1, and this is second diagonal, D2. When diagonals bisect each other, when diagonals bisect each other, they will become equal to each other. If this is 4 centimeter from here to here, then from here to here also it will be 4 centimeter only. Getting? So diagonals will be equal when they bisect each other. So can I write OC is equal to, okay, can anyone tell me OD is equal to what? Mu. Clear? OD will be equal to mu. You can write. Okay. So you can write here. Diagonals bisect each other equally. Last fourth one. M angle, here I have write fourth one. Angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to how much? Angle DAB means this is angle DAB. Angle DAB. Okay. Next angle CDA. CDA is here. This is angle CDA. So this angle plus this angle, if I do, what I will get is asking. Can anybody tell me why? Why? Wrong. So it's called as linear angle property or interior. See here, whenever I have a straight line, okay, interior angle property, it's called as interior angle property. This is a parallelogram. Interior angles, I can take this and this. How? This and this. Okay, interior ಒಳಗೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ type, or we can tell it as one perfect word is ಬರೋದು. I'm not getting that word. Corresponding alternate will be okay. You will understand what I'm telling. Okay, this and this should be equal. Okay, this plus this, if you add, you will get how much? 180 degree. Or this and this, I will write it A, B, C, D. Either A plus B is equal to 180. You can write like this. This plus this angle will be equal to 180. Or this angle plus this angle. B plus C also will be equal to 180. Or C plus D also will be equal to. Or D plus A is also equal to 180. This is how it works in parallelogram. Opposite angles you can tell it as. Opposite angles. Okay, now I got the word. So the opposite angle for this is this, but need a picture on it. Okay, opposite angles. Either opposite either. So if I add those both, I will get how much? 180 degree. Okay, so this angle and this angle, if you add both of them, it will get equal to 180 degrees. Okay, take the answer. Right. Okay, stop writing. Next. So next one, this is the most important thing. Here you will learn too many things. Okay, just see here. Don't write anything. Just try to see here. Afterwards, when you write, try solving this one. This is first one. Okay. So here I should find x, y, and z. Okay. So one by one I will try to find this. Very simple. Only one thing will be given. We should find all the remaining things. Any idea? Can you guys tell me like how to start? What to do? If you have any idea, you can tell.
So the 100 is there as Z also.
Huh?
100.
Which is 100?
Z also.
That is also 100. No, it's just now I told the property, if you add this and this, it will be equal to,
180.
correct? Either you can add this and this, or you can add this and this, you get equal to 180 degree. Or I can start it as if this is 100 degree, this will be equal to, why opposite angles in parallelogram will be equal to each other. Getting one, opposite angles are this and this and this. So I already know that y is equal to 100 degree because opposite angles are equal in the parallelogram. Okay, so y is equal to 100 degree. Give that. Now I should find x or z. To find that, I will go with this Hit method only. 100 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, because they are angles at the interior side. If you add the opposite interior angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 minus z equal to any doubts? Any doubt? So if z is equal to 80 degree, if z is equal to 80 degree, hello. If z is equal to 80 degree, then how much will be this equal to? X also equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 degree. Y means z is equal to x. Correct? Y z is equal to x. Opposite the angles in the parallelogram. Any doubts? Any doubt? Once again, if this is 100 degree, this will be 100 degree. Okay? This plus this will be equal to 180 degree. If this is 100 degree, this will become 80 degree. If this is 80 degree, 80 degree. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So last again ಬಂದ್ಪ 8 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. This was 100 degree. This became 100 degree. This plus this should be equal to 180 degree. 180 and 100 plus 80, 180. This is 80. This also become 80. Simple. Any doubts? This much easy it is. Okay. You should only know when to take what. Okay. ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು ಜಯರಾಜ್. Okay. Next, second one. Now, I only have one thing same. This is 50 degree. Okay. So easily I can start. I can either take this plus this is equal to, or this plus this is equal to. Correct? However, I can start. And I know this is equal to x is equal to y because they're opposite angles. Clear? Getting what I'm telling? So I will take 50 plus y. Okay. 50 degree. Sit word. Okay. Plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 50. So y is equal to, okay, very good, 130 degrees, correct? Okay, so if y is equal to 130 degree, x will be also equal to, so x is equal to, y is equal to 130 degree, therefore x is equal to 130 degree because opposite angles are equal. Angles. Any doubts? Clear? Now we have figured out that this is 130, this is 130, this is 50. I should find z. Can anybody tell me how to find z? You guys should think. If I do everything, anywhere ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Think how to find z. Okay, I will update those things one by one. And that's the reply. See, this has become 130 now. 130 degree. This has also become 130 degree. I should find z. Somebody said add. What should I add?
50 plus
130. What should I do? See here, we know that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral will be equal to. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral will be equal to 360 degree. That means this angle plus interior angle, this angle plus this angle. If I add, I should get how much? 360 degree. Let's find this angle first. Okay. So this is my question mark. So 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 130 degree plus my question mark is all equal to 360 degree. Why? Sum of angles of quadrilateral. Okay, sum of all angles of interior angles of quadrilateral. If you add all these four angles, they should be equal to 360 degree. So 50, 130 plus 130, 200, 260, 260 plus 50, 310 plus my question mark is equal to 360 degree. Question mark is equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. Okay. Do not disturb it. So question mark is equal to 50 degree. After this, so I understood this is how much now? 50 degree. If this is 50 degree, how much will be this? Equal. Why? Yesterday we have seen linear pair. If this is 50 degree, this plus this if you add, it should be equal to 180 degrees. If this is 130 degree, 130 plus 50, 180 degrees. So therefore, after finding this is 50 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree because linear pair or external angle you can take. Linear pair better, okay? Linear angle, linear pair. Z is equal to 130 degrees. Any doubts? How I found it? Easy? One ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಳಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. There is no need to practice also second time. Once you understand directly, you will see you will go to exam. ತಿಳಿದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ you will understand what's happening. Okay, take it. Any doubts in any step? Right. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೀತೇನಪ್ಪ. Actually, I'm going slow for this chapter because I want you guys to understand what I'm doing. If I go speed, you will not understand this. So I'm going very, very slow for this chapter. Okay. Next, there are some concepts you should understand. This will come till 10th standard. Okay. This is the most important concept. When I'm writing, don't write. Okay. That's the rule. So just see here. First one is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Okay. These things will work only when we have parallels. This is parallel to this. When there are 2 or 3 parallels, only then these things will work. These things will not work. Whatever I'm saying now, this will work only if we have parallels. Example, this is parallel to this one, this line and this line. Will they ever meet? If I extend them, will they ever meet or cross the curve? That's impossible. They will never cross. So these things will only work on parallels. Okay. So when there are 2 parallels and if I cut them, okay, a line cuts 2 parallels, okay, then we have some different properties coming inside geometry. The different properties are alternate interior angles means this will be equal to this angle. They are alternate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ alternate and their interior means they are in this box. You can see they are not outside the box, they are inside the box. Getting? So if this angle is 30 degree, this will be equal to, no need to think on this, that will definitely be 30 degree. One more example I'll give. Okay, this line is parallel to this will be equal to where? Getting? So if this is 50 degree, this also will be equal to 50 degree. Getting? So this is alternate interior angle. Okay. Second one we have is alternate exterior angle. Exterior ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. Okay. Outside, exterior. So these are 2 parallels again. This is one line cutting them. Exterior means this is the exterior. This will be equal to this. If this is 60 degree, this also will be equal to 60 degree. Identifying them in the beginning will be a little bit tricky, okay? But once you do 3, 4, 5, 6 sums, you will identify very easily. Any doubts? So this is alternate exterior. One more example. This will be equal to 70 degree means 70 degree. Clear? So there are 2 interior angles, there are 2 exterior angles. Once again I will do interior angles like that only. So if we have 2 lines, this will be equal to this 30 degree means 30 degree. Interior. One more. This side means 40 degree. This side 40 degree. Any doubts? Alternate interior angles. So we have this and that. This is interior, that is exterior. Is the difference? Interior ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Alternate ಹಾಕೋ. Exterior ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು. Any doubts? Okay. Take this first. Take this first. Okay, next. I hope you guys understood alternate interior. Next we'll have corresponding angles. Okay, stop writing. See here. Corresponding angles. This is most interesting topic. If I have like this lines, parallel lines, okay, and again one straight line is cutting them. Corresponding means this line, this angle will correspond to this angle. Correspond. Getting? So this is 50 degree. This is also equal to. This is a new concept. Corresponding. Okay. One more example I will show. If I make it here 30 degree, where it will be next? This is only geometry. Now in this class, maximum 20 people are there. Think 10 people will be getting what I am teaching. Remaining 10, if I teach this 100 times also, they will not listen. Getting? So that is the quality of the student. Sir, when correct field. Okay. Afterwards, don't tell I didn't understood. This is what you see. This can't be shown. This can be shown, but you should see that. You know correct note. If this is 30 degree, this will be. It's so easy to identify, but it's so tough to identify. Every time I can't show here is this angle, this is working. There are some rules. Corresponding angle, alternate interior, alternate exterior. Next time, if I take their names, you should understand what I'm doing. Any doubts? Okay, last one more I will show. Alternate corresponding example. If I put it here, where will be next one? Correct here, 45 degree, and so on into corresponding. This is the example of corresponding angles. Now, why this is useful, I will tell you now. Take this first. Keep writing. Take that. In school, they are in this chapter only, or they went further, right? They are here only. So I am ahead. Okay. So no problem. We can take it slowly. This is there till 10th standard. Okay. If you don't understand it here, this will come and irritate you. So learn properly. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾರು ಕಲ್ಸಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ okay now see here stop writing. This is very interesting. Now if I draw it like this, okay, I will just take this as 50 degree I will take. Okay, by knowing only this, can anybody find this angle, everything? This I have shown it in the last class. One more thing I should teach you before going to this one. Vertically opposite angles is the last topic. I have kept it last because you all know this. Okay, vertically opposite angles. This about this everybody knows, I think so. When you have a crossing line x, okay, this angle will be equal to this angle. Everybody knows this. This is 45 degree. This will be equal to 45 degree. And there is a rule. This forms a circle. Okay. And how much will be the circle? Equal to 360 degree. Okay. So 45 plus 45, 90. So remaining is how much? 90, 270. 9 4 36, 270. 270 divided by 2. 270 divided by 2. 135. 270 divided by 2. 135. 135. So this will be 135. This will be 135. Easy. Getting what I did here? E type of thing. This is vertically opposite angle. One more example. If this is 65 degree, this will be equal to 65. This is very easy to identify. Okay, take this one. You know, last one. Next, I will do this one. Take it fast. We have very little time. Take it fast. Still, I should give you your notes. Okay. So write fast. Now see here. Stop writing. Imagine this is a line. Okay. These two are parallel lines. This is 60 degree. I will take. Okay. If this is 60 degree, how much will be this angle? See, I know only this in the beginning. I will find everything. If this is 60 degree, how much will be this angle?
60 degrees.
How did you guys show me this is 60 degree? Very good. Corresponding. Think use that. No, if I know this is 60 degree, this will be 60 degree. If I know this is 90 degree here, this will also be 90 degree because parallel. Like that. Okay. Next. Next here. This is 60 degree. This plus this angle will be equal to how much? This plus this will be equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Linear pair. Straight line. Okay. If this is 60 degree, this will be. If this is 120 degree. See properly. Where this will be equal to
60.
how much?
120.
That is how I think. I'm giving it to 60 degree. Very good. Why? This and this will be equal to how the which type of thing is this? You should tell me. Very good. Alternate interangle. Confuse ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Okay. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು. This and this will be equal to 60 degree. You can see when this and this will be matching now. Correct? If this is 120, this will be. If this is 120, this will be. This is 120, this will be. See, this and this will correspond. Corresponding. Okay. This and this is corresponding. This and this is alternating. This and this is alternating. So you can say alternate interangles here. This and this. This and this is alternate interangle. Okay. This and this is alternate external angle. See, this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. One more example. If this is 40 degree, directly I can take this as. Why? Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. They are at the exterior part. Interior vertical. Okay. If this is 40 degree, this will be 40 degree. This will be 40 degree. This will be 40 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then you need to find this angle. 40 plus 40, 140 will be equal to 180 degree. If this is 140, this will be 140, 140, 140. Simple. Take it. One homework I will give you. Take this. 30 degree and find it. Today we'll stop here. Tomorrow read and come all this. Okay, open it. I should do exercise 3.3 third sum, correct? 3.3 third sum. Second में third sum. Stop writing. Stop writing. Everybody see here. Okay. Okay. So this angle is 30 degree. I should find x, y and z. Can anybody tell me from where I can start? Or any angle do I know? X, y and z.
90.
Which one?
So x is equal to 90.
Very good. Correct. Why? See here. This is 90 degree. This is a sign that says it's 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, then this will be?
90 degree.
Why? Can you see x happening here? Intersection, vertically opposite angles. So x directly. So only the sign is given. They have not written 90 here. You should understand that. Okay. X is equal to what 90 degrees by vertically opposite angles. Any doubts? Now if x is 90 degree, okay, if this became 90 degree, can you see a triangle formation here? If this is 90 degree, if this is 30 degree, how much will be this? 90 plus 30, 120. Total triangle will be 180 degrees. 120 plus 60, 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree plus y will be equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 120. Y is equal to. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, if y is equal to 60 degree, how much will be z? How much will be z?
Sir, ATM is
Yesterday, remember, we have learnt vertically opposite angles. Okay, internally. Do you remember this? Alternate interangles, do you remember? Yesterday we have learned some things, okay? So alternate interangles means when there are two parallel lines and one line cuts it, this and this will be equal, alternate interangles. Can you see here, this is parallel to this line is parallel, straight line. Okay, here lines are straight like this, it's very easily visible. Now think like this and this are parallel or no? See, this line is parallel to this. They both will never meet. This is the point cutting here. Can you see now? This is cutting this line or no? This and this line, like this line is cutting here. This is the intersection happening here. So you can see here, E type ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Okay. So this will be equal to this E type. ಕಾಣತೈತಿ? Sorry, ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, think this, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. If this is 30 degree, this will be 30 degree. This you see. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಐ ಸಾ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲಟರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ and this line. This is the line cutting this. If this angle be equal to this angle or no? ಕಾಣತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕಾಣತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ this one line, this is parallel to this and this is the line cutting. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Getting? So this is alternate interior angle that is happening here. 1 second. 30 degree x. ಓ ಇದು ಕೇಳಾರಪ್ಪ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಂ, ತಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ y ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, y ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ x was 90 degree.
X 90.
This is 90 degree direct level right now. This is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. Now we should find this. Can you see x happening here? This angle and this angle, they are what? Alternate interangles. See, this is one line parallel to this. This is the intersection happening here. Okay, so this will be equal to this. I will do it and show here. Two lines are parallel. One intersection is happening. So this angle will be equal to this. Kanatiti? Appearing? So that is what is happening there. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿತೈತಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಾಳ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಾಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Next, understood? Any doubts? So you should write what? This was what? Z. Z. Therefore, Z is equal to what? Y is equal to how much? 60 degree, because alternate interior angles. Next, second one, fourth. How should I start? Any idea?
So correspond. Z is equal to 80.
Very good. So these are corresponding angles. Correct? Next, again how I can start?
So 80 y.
X plus 80 will be equal to 180. Okay. Okay. Angles on the same side. X plus 80 degree is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 80. X is equal to 100 degree. If X is equal to 100 degree, 100 degree plus Y is equal to 180 again. Yes or no? Like this also we can take, or can you see what we can say? Opposite angles. Opposite angles in a parallelogram will be equal. Opposite angles, like that also you can do. So Y is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Like this also you can do, or Y is equal to 80 directly, opposite angles, and then Z is equal to 80 degree. Y means corresponding angles. Any doubts? Any doubts? Easy? Next, last one. Start now. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. X is equal to X is equal to ಹೆಂಗ ಅದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? Z is equal to
So 112 minus 180 Z.
See here, one thing I can take. If you think this as a parallelogram, okay, this angle plus this whole angle will be equal to how much? 180 degree. 112. This angle is 112. Plus this whole angle means what are coming here? Z is coming and 40 is coming. If I add Z plus 40, I will get the whole angle or no? So this whole angle Z plus 40 and this angle, if I add, I should get. Any doubts? Okay. 112 plus 40. 110, 152. 152 degree plus Z is equal to 180. Z is equal to 28. 60. 28 degree. 28 degree will get. Any doubts? Any doubts? What I did here? Now you see 28 plus 40 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 68 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 40, 50, 60, 68. 68 plus 112 180 ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ. So it's perfect sum. Next, if this is 20 degree, X will be how much?
28.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? Can you see alternate adjacent angles again? See, this line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. This is the line cutting. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Can you see alternate interior angles thing happening? Alternate interior. See here, this is line. This is one more line. Cutting is happening here. This angle will be equal to this. Can you see that? It's very simple. Okay. Self ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. This will be equal to this. This will be equal to this. If this is 40 degree, this will be how much? 40 degree. Getting? Now, if this is 20 degree, this will be 20 degree. Therefore, x is equal to z is equal to 20 degree vertically. Sorry, alternate interior angles. Okay, next. Now this is 28 degree. 40 degree plus 28 degree plus y will be equal to. This is a triangle. Can you see triangle here? Okay, 40 degree. 40 degree plus 28 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. 68 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to check madri 112. So opposite angles are equal also if you check. Yalla correct one. Any doubts? Any doubts? Easy? ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಸಮ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತೇನು? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. See here, this will be equal to this. 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 Slowly you will understand. If you see a line, if you see two parallel lines, and if you see something cutting like this, you should know this will be equal to this. And ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೋದು okay? Take it. Next sum. Read fifth sum. This is the most important sum. Many times we will ask this. Okay, read.
The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3/2. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram.
Okay, see here, most important question. There is a parallelogram. Okay, let's name it ABCD. Their adjacent angles, this angle plus this angle. Adjacent means neighbor. This angle plus this angle, if you add, it will be equal to. Am I recording? Start one in la. Okay. So this angle plus this angle will be equal to, or this angle plus this angle you can take this angle plus this angle, or this plus this. Anything you can take. Adjacent means neighbor. Okay. So adjacent angle should be equal to 180 degrees. Read the question from the beginning.
The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3/2. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram.
So the ratios are in the form of what? 3/2. 3/2 under A will be equal to 3x, B will be equal to 2x. Okay. So can I write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree? Why? Adjacent angles. Correct? Adjacent angles, if you add them, they will be equal to 180 degrees. How much is angle A? How much is angle B? 3x plus 2x? X is equal to 180 by 5. 5 will come down. 5 will come down. Okay, multiplication. This will come down. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, 30, 5, 6 are. So x is equal to, easy? Understood or no? Whenever you will tell ratios, you should take x immediately. 3x, 2x. 3 is to 2 under 3x, 2x. Every time when it says ratio, take x. You will say 3 is to 2, you will take 3x, 2x. Like that. Till 10th. Remember this man. This is what I'm saying. Okay. Next. Stop writing still there. Now angle A is equal to how much? 3x. Okay. 3 times x means how much? 36 degree. 36 into 3? 36 into 3?
100.
Very good. 108 degrees. Next, angle B. 2x. 2 times
72.
you see? Add it and see. 108 plus 72 will get 180. Bardadil? Any doubts? Same sum. Okay. Adjacent angles you take, they are in the ratio of 5 is to 2. And do. Same sum. The ratio is 5 to 2. First write this, then take this and do. Find. Read it. ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ 72 plus 100. 72 plus 1. Read next one.
Two adjacent triangles of a
When he is reading, everybody should read. Aiti lote, shuka. Read.
two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram.
6th one ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ 7th one ಓದ್ಬೇಡ ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 7th one ಮಾಡಿದೆ afterwards I will do 6th one.
The adjacent figure is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure x, y, and z. State the properties you use to find them.
This is very interesting, okay? Stop writing, see here. This is a parallelogram hoop, H, O, P, E. I should find all the angles, X, Y, Z. Now one by one we will try to find. Can anyone tell me from where I should start?
The y, 40y.
Very good. Can you see this parallelogram? Cutting? Okay. This will be equal to
Y and
this. Correct? What is that alternate?
interior angle.
So y is equal to 40 degree because alternate
Z is equal to
interior. Sit quiet. One on the, okay. Now you tell. Now 1 second I will update this. This is equal to how much? 40 degree. Next.
Z is equal to 70.
Z is equal to?
70.
You guys had correct answer. See here. Z plus 40 is equal to 70, no? This whole angle should be equal to 70, not 180. See here. These are corresponding angles. Sit quiet. E type aitilla. Like this it is there. This angle will be equal to this angle. Corresponding angles. Can you see corresponding? Corresponding, can you see? So 70 degree, if it is 70 degree, this whole angle will be equal to 70 degree. This whole angle is 70 degree. But here split has happened. Idrolaga add meter. Splitting has happened. So this plus this will be equal to Z plus 40 degree is equal to 70 degree. Understood? This will be equal to this. Okay. So Z is equal to 30 degree. Why? Corresponding angles. Next. This is equal to how much now? 30 degree. How much is X? Can anyone tell me?
30, 70.
X is how much?
Is 40.
Or how I can do at least that.
70,
X plus?
40 is equal to 180.
See here. Now what I can do is sit quiet. Okay. Now what I can do is like this. It is there. It's there like this. I know this whole angle is how much? 70 degree. 30 plus 40? 70. This angle and I am finding this angle. This is my X. This plus this will be equal to what?
180.
Getting or no? So X plus 40 plus 30, 70 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree by adjacent angles. Getting? X is equal to 180 minus X is equal to
110.
easy. Getting or no? So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. If you practice you will understand. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ sums ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. Any doubts? Easy? Once again I will tell. First this was 40 degree, this became 40 degree. This angle was 70 degree. This whole thing plus this should be 70 degree. If this is 70 degree, 40 plus 30, 70 degree. Match आता है? 70, 70. Then this whole angle plus this angle should be equal to 180 degree. This was 70 degree, 70 plus 110, 180. That's how we match. Any doubts? Take it. Read 6 sum.
Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram.
Okay, see here. Two adjacent angles. Let's think that this and this are adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles have same measure itself. So can I take this? If this is x, this also will be? That also will be x. So x plus x is equal to how much? 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to x is equal to 90 degree. So each angle is how much? I should find all angles itself. Okay. So I know this and this is also 90. This is also 90. Now this plus this is equal to will be how much? Okay. Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. 180. Again adjacent angles. Adjacent. Angle A is 90. Angle D we don't know. Angle D is equal to again it's 90. Similarly, angle C will be also equal to. Any doubts? This is the sum. Take it. Therefore, measure of each angle is 90 degree. Very simple sum. Right. Eighth one, first main. Very simple sum. Read question.
The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find x and y. Lengths are in centimeters.
So I should find x and y. This is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides will be equal. So GUNS is a parallelogram. Okay, where GS is equal to UN and GU is equal to SN. Correct? This will be equal to this. This will be equal to this. Opposite sides will be equal. Okay. So, can I take, if GS is equal to UN, if GS is equal to UN, if this is equal to this, then 3x is equal to 18. GS under 3x is equal to 18. X is equal to, simple little, 3 1s are, x is equal to 4. This is how we get x. Similarly, this is equal to this now. So 3y minus 1 is equal to, if GU is equal to SN, 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. 3y is equal to, y is equal to 3 1s are 4. Any doubts? If you want one verification, see here. 3 into 6. 3 into 6, x means 6. 3 6 are
18.
1 till 18 is equal to 18. 3 into y is 9. 3 9s are 27 minus 1.
26.
Take it. Today shall I stop here? Sit quiet. ಯಾರು ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ Exercise. Exercise 3.3. Eighth main. Second question. Okay. So we have a parallelogram. What is that? Runs. RUNS. RUNS is a parallelogram. This is the bisection happening here. Okay. This is 16. This is x plus y. 20. Y plus 7. So in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other equally. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other equally. What does it mean? Means here, if I have a parallelogram, okay, if I have a parallelogram, its diagonals, this is one diagonal, this is one diagonal. They bisect equally means if this is 5 centimeter, this will be how much? 5. If this is 2 centimeter, this from here to here, then from here to here it will also be 2 centimeter. We have a rule in parallelogram where diagonals bisect equally, bisect each other equally. Getting? When they bisect each other equally. Again, the bisect angle 3, 4, this is 4, 5. No, they bisect each other in equal, correct spaces. Okay. So now, can I equate 16 is equal to x plus y, and 20 is equal to y plus 7? If I take x plus y is equal to 16, can I get any answer? Can I get any answer? X also I don't know, y also I don't know. Can I get anything out of that? I will not get anything. But if I take y plus 7 is equal to 20, concentrate here. If I take y plus 7 is equal to 20, y plus 7 is equal to 20. Okay, 7 will go this side, it will become minus 7. Y is equal to 13. Understood what I did here? I equated this is equal to this because diagonals bisect each other equally. Now I got y is equal to 13. Now I can take this equation. X plus y is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 16. X as it is plus y is how much? Is equal to 16 minus x is equal to 4. This is the answer. Easy. It's the answer. So what did I do? I equated this y plus 7 is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 16 and got the answer. Take it. Okay, so this is given. Now without doing sum only, first only I will try to explain what I want to do. Okay, go with me, you will understand what I will do. Stop writing. Okay, now see here, one by one I will tell. If this is 120 degree, okay, if this is 120 degree, see this parallelogram, KRIES, this parallelogram, KRIS. Can you see this parallelogram? Okay, if this is 120 degree, how much will be this? This also will be 120. Correct? If this is 120, how much will be this angle? 60 degree. Any doubts? 120 degree, 120 degree. This is opposite angles in a parallelogram. If this is 120, this will be 60. Linear pair. 120 plus 60, 180 degrees. If this is 60 degree, how much will be this? Why? Alternate interior angles. Okay. We can see here, these are two parallel lines and this is one line cutting here. This and this are alternating. Can you see alternating happening here? Okay, very good. Alternate interior angles. One angle I have found. Okay, in this triangle, if I find this and this, my work is over. I can find this. Now, if this is 70 degree, now see this parallelogram. Can you see this parallelogram? EULC. This will be also 70 plus 16. 130. How much will be this section? X will be how much? 50 degree. 130 plus 50, 180. Understood or not? So this is how we figure it out. Then we will do the sum in maths. Now some people or some students what they will do, first they will start writing, then they will think. Getting over, don't do that next time. First figure it out what you are going to do. Then with your plan you can execute. Okay. Once again I will do the diagram now and write. Okay, this was the diagram, correct? Okay, now see, angle K is equal to angle I. Why? Opposite angles sit quite opposite angles in parallelogram. Okay, so angle I will also become equal to 120 degree. Angle I plus angle I plus angle SIL, this angle SIL is equal to 180 degree because linear pair. Okay, angle I is 120 degree plus angle SIL is equal to 180 degrees. Angle SIL is equal to how much? 60 degree. So angle SIL is angle SIL and angle ISK are what? Alternate interior angles. This angle and this angle. Yes or no? So angle SIL is equal to angle ISK. Why? Alternate interior angles. So this also became how much? 60 degree. Now this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Next, this angle and this angle. Can you see a parallelogram here? If this is 70 degree, this also will be 70 degree. Okay. So angle ULC, see how you want you can write it. If I am writing ULC, if you write CLU, there's no mistake. Okay, in geometry, how you want you can go. So I will write ULC is equal to angle CEU. Why? Opposite angles in. For everything, whatever you are doing, expect to write linear pair. What you are doing, what is the logic you should write? Opposite angles, adjacent angles. In Madadirpa. Getting out of that, keep writing. Don't leave and write. For this also marks will be there. In exam, if you don't write this, I will not give any marks. 3 marks, 4 marks, I will only give 1 marks, 1.5 marks. Okay. Any teacher will give that much only. Next. Now understood? We got this also, we got this also. Angle. 1 second. Angle EUE, angle CEU is equal to angle CEU is equal to how much now? 70 degrees. Any doubts? Okay, angle CEU is equal to 70 degree. After getting this, what I can write? This in this triangle now. In triangle, did they give a name for this? No, they are not given any name. X plus angle CEU plus angle ISK cut ISK is equal to 180 degrees. X plus angle CEU is 60 degree. Angle CEU is 70 degree plus this is 60 degree. All is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 70 plus 60 is equal to x is equal to. Any doubts? I think you understood. Once again I will tell you. This was 120, this became 120, opposite angles. Okay, if this is 120, this will become 60. 60, 60 alternate angles over 70 degree, 70 degree. Now come in this triangle, 60 plus 70, 130 plus 50, 180 degree. Any doubts? Any doubts? Understood? Take it. Thanks, sir. Completed it? Okay, open the tens. Tens. So explain how figure is trapezium they're asking. Which of two sides? 4.32 is the figure. Sit quiet. K, L, M. Little bit like this, should go. Okay. N. This is 80 degree. 80 degree. This is 90 degree. 100 degree. Sorry. This is 100 degree. 100 degree. This is 100 degree. I should explain how this figure is a trapezium. Now, in trapezium, first stop writing. What's a trapezium? I will tell you. In trapezium, two lines will be parallel to each other. Two lines will be parallel, and another two lines we will just join it like this. Okay. When two lines are parallel, if I add adjacent angles, this angle plus this angle, they both will be equal to 180 degree. Why this is happening means this and this line is parallel. Then only this will work. Think if I have like this, okay, if I have like this, and if I join them, will they be equal? No. Getting only and only they will work only if I have this and this parallel. Okay. Second point, if this and this is equal to 180 degree, then this and this will be parallel. If I go ulta if I do. If this and this, if you add, if you get 180, then this will be parallel to this. Now what is there here? See here. Angle M is angle M plus angle L. If I do what I'm getting? I'm getting 180 degree because angle M is 100 degree and angle L is 80 degree. I'm getting 180 degree. If I'm getting 180 degrees exactly, then NM is parallel to KL. If this thing is happening, then this NMLK is a trapezium. Understood? How do we say trapezium? Two angles if you add, you should get 180 degree. That also adjacent angles. Any doubts here? Okay. So this is how I can say this is a parallelogram. Any doubts? Sit quiet. Okay. Next. Understood this sum? Israel, okay. Explain how figure is a trapezium. This is how this figure is a trapezium. Okay, next. 11th one. Here find the angle C they are asking. Angle C is equal to question mark. They have given a figure. You guys should only tell me. Okay. A, B, C, D. This is 120 degree. Only this is given. If angle C, find M angle C in figure 4.33 if AB is parallel to DC. One thing they have told us that given AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC, this angle plus this angle will be equal to. Just now I said. Just now I said. If this angle, this line and this line are parallel, then this plus this will be equal to 180 degree. So can I write angle B plus angle C is equal to by we call it as adjacent angles. We call it as adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent? Neighbor. Okay, neighbor ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದಿನ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, adjacent. This is the adjacent angle. Okay, angle B is how much? 120 degree. Angle C I'm finding angle C. This and this is not required. They have not told us to find, so I will not go there only. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Angle C is equal to. Easy. These are like 4 standard sums. Correct? Any doubts? Take it. Any doubts? Write first. First write this. I want to run this fast. Write it fast. Will you guys do 12 sum? This is a figure. Okay. You guys try 12 sum afterwards. I will do. Aram se try. Check. If you take this long to do one sum over, game over. Sit quiet. P, Q, R, S. This is 130 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay, 2 things are given already. In a quadrilateral, sum of all interior angles will be equal to 360 degree. Now my work is to only find one angle, either this and either this. If I find one angle, I will add one angle and make it equal to 360 degrees. This plus this angle will be equal to how much? Read question first.
Find the measure of
Read.
Find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP parallel to RQ in figure 3.34.
See, I was waiting for this only. They have told us SP is parallel to RQ. If SP is parallel to RQ, this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Or you can take this angle and this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, however you want to get. Since this is there, okay, solution, I can write angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degree because adjacent angles. Okay, angle R is I don't know, is equal to, and angle S is equal to 180 minus 90, 20 degree. How much is it? Is full easy. Anybody got? This was the last time I was expecting you guys to do. Is it? So this became how much? 90 degree. Now either this and this is equal to 180 also you can do, or if I add all these angles I will get equal to this degree. That only I will do. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S all are equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles of sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Angle P is how much? That only I am finding. Angle P I am finding. Angle Q is 130. Angle R 90. Angle S 90 is equal to 360 degree. Angle P plus 90, 90, 180 plus 280, 310 is equal to 360. Angle P is equal to 360 minus 310. Angle P is equal to 50 degree. Any doubts? Take it. One more method I will do and show. You can do like this also. Angle Q plus angle P is equal to y, adjacent angles. Okay, angle Q is how much? Plus angle P is equal to angle P is equal to 180 minus 130, 50. There are several methods. However you want to do, you will get same answer. Understood? So this is 50 degree. Now add everything and you will get 360 degree. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 50, 180, 230, 230, 260, 360. Take it. Right.